Meaning of Frankie Laine.
Frankie Laine.
Frankie Laine.
Frankie Laine.
Frankie Laine. Frankie Laine was an American singer, songwriter, and actor whose career spanned from the 1940s to the 1990s. He was known for his powerful, emotive voice and his ability to sing a wide variety of musical styles, from Western to jazz to pop. Laine had many hits throughout his career, including That's My Desire, Mule Train, and Jezebel. He also appeared in several films and television shows. Despite his popularity, Laine remained humble and grateful to his fans throughout his life.